In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use my Launch Sequence Excel planner. As you're going to see, this isn't rocket science, but instead it's really keeping it simple and it's keeping it focused on one goal: developing your email communication schedule for all of your events with less than 60 seconds of work. Let me say that again. Developing your email communication schedule for all of the events that are up and coming in your semester with less than 60 seconds of work. It's based upon a proven formula that I've found successful, which helps to create urgency while also being inclusive and welcoming to any type of audience, whether you're targeting faculty, students, staff, the public, or a mix of several different types of audiences. This carefully timed sequence of email announcements and reminders will raise the visibility of your events, nudge people to take action, or in this case RSVP for the event, and remind them to actually show up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to notice when you open the Launch Sequence Event Communications Blueprint is this tab called Step 1 Input Event Information. So in this tab, all you need to do is input the title of your event in these yellow boxes on the left-hand side and the dates of your events on the right-hand side in these yellow boxes. So just for example, I'll start typing in here. This is my first event. This is my second event, third event. This might be a networking mixer. This might be an alumni panel discussion. This might be a book launch for upcoming astronomer, and so on. And maybe I don't have more than 6 events, so that's fine. These will be my 6 events here. And then I'll add the dates here, and this is in date format, so we're going to put in our first event. Let's say it's going to be November 1st, coming up. This one might be, for example, November 15th, and I'll put November, say, 21st. And this might be December, let's say 4th. And the semester's winding down, so this might be the last of the semester, probably around the 12th or so, December 12th. And then we're going to kick off the next year with one around January 18th, 2016. And that's our last event. So I filled in the names of my events on the left-hand yellow boxes on the left-hand side, and the dates of those events in the yellow boxes on the right-hand side. So this is all we need to do in the Step 1 tab. Then we'll move over to the Step 2 tab. What this is going to do is auto-generate basically a grid or a blueprint of all of the different types of emails that you need to send out. So the first instance here, we have your first event. This is my first event. This is the event date. And then these are in the mint green and the white boxes. These are the dates and the emails that you need to schedule and send out. So you can mark these on your calendar right now. These are the ones that will announce the email, that'll announce the event 6 weeks away, 4 weeks away, 1 week away, optional 1 week reminder if you want to send that, 2 day before reminder, and an optional morning of the event reminder. And this is based upon a sequence of emails that I've found successful in terms of getting people to come to your events. You can play with this sequencing as it fits your department and your needs, but I've found that this is a pretty good place to start. So this page is basically going to lay out your entire blueprint for all of the events and the dates that you need to send these strategic emails. They're all right here, so you can add these to your calendar right now, whether it's a calendar or an email program or a MailChimp or Constant Contact, whatever you need. You can take these dates and just run with these. And then if you switch over to Step 3, what this is going to do is when you land on Step 3 tab in the event title, you want to create a custom filter and say does not equal to no event, because this is going to take out the blank event slots that I didn't use up. So I'll sort that. And then on the email send date, I'm going to sort from ascending, as I did right here. Sort ascending, and this is the actual sequence in chronological order of all of the emails that I need to send out with each type of email it is and the event title. So if this is if this is a helpful version to take a look at, you can look at this too. It's basically going to walk you through your entire calendar. This is the date, this is the email that you need to send out, and this is the event title that is corresponding to that email. And it just walks you through the entire semester. And you can go back and input new events into the first tab, churn that through into the step 2 tab, which lays out the whole kind of bird's eye view blueprint of all of your events. And you could use the third tab if you want just a chronological list to take a look at all of the events and the emails that you need to send out to get people excited and RSVPing for your events. So I hope you'll find this helpful. This is a tool I made based on my experience and the best practices that I've seen done in the industry and universities and getting people to RSVP and come to events. Try it out, see how it works for you, and hopefully it'll be a useful tool going forward.